तेज कर दो, increase the fan speed, increase the fan speed. ये तकिया बदल दो, change this pillow, change this pillow. बर्तन कहाँ सुखाए हैं? Where did you dry the utensils? Where did you dry the utensils? सब्जी काट दी क्या? Did you chop the vegetables? Did you chop the vegetables? टॉयलेट फ्लश नहीं किया? You didn't flush the toilet. You didn't flush the toilet. रजाई बहुत गर्म है. The quilt is too warm. The quilt is too warm. कपड़े बाहर से ले आओ. Bring the clothes in from outside. Bring the clothes in from outside. गैस की लो बहुत तेज है. The gas flame is too high. The gas flame is too high. टाइम देखो कितना हो गया. Check what time it is. Check what time it is. चाय में चीनी नहीं डाली. You didn't add sugar to the tea. You didn't add sugar to the tea. बर्तन सही से धोए नहीं है. The utensils are not washed properly. The utensils are not washed properly. पानी का जग भर दो. Fill the water jug. Fill the water jug. फ्रिज का दरवाजा खुला है. The fridge door is open. The fridge door is open. मोबाइल चार्ज में लगाओ. Put the phone on charging. Put the phone on charging. ये डिब्बा टेढ़ा हो गया है. This container is tilted. This container is tilted. खाने में नमक कम है. The food has less salt. The food has less salt. इस टॉवल को धो देना. This towel needs to be washed. This towel needs to be washed. मेरी चप्पल कौन ले गया? Who took my slippers? Who took my slippers? पंखा घुमा दो. Rotate the fan. Rotate the fan. टेबल खिसका दो जरा. Move the table a bit. Move the table a bit. इस मग में दरार है. This mug has a crack. This mug has a crack. पानी उबाल दो. Boil the water. Boil the water. दाल पक गई क्या? Is the dal cooked? Is the dal cooked? पत्ते झाड़ दो बरामदे के. Clean the leaves in the veranda. Clean the leaves in the veranda. शीशा बहुत गंदा है. The mirror is very dirty. The mirror is very dirty. हैंगर कहाँ रखा है? Where is the hanger? Where is the hanger? कपड़े अच्छे से निचोड़ो. Squeeze the clothes properly. Squeeze the clothes properly. तौलिया बदल दो. Change the towel. Change the towel. मेरी अलमारी में मत छुओ. Don't touch my cupboard. Don't touch my cupboard. बाहर धूप निकली है. It's sunny outside. It's sunny outside. इस रजाई में बदबू है. This quilt smells bad. This quilt smells bad. फर्श फिसलन भरा है. The floor is slippery. The floor is slippery. Doormat साफ करो. Clean the doormat. Clean the doormat. मुझे टिश्यू दो, give me a tissue. Give me a tissue. वाइपर चला दो जरा, use the wiper please. Use the wiper please. घर की घंटी बज रही है, the doorbell is ringing. The doorbell is ringing. मच्छर बहुत है आज, there are too many mosquitoes today. There are too many mosquitoes today. वो टोकरी नीचे रख दो, put that basket down. Put that basket down. मेरे मोजे कहाँ है? Where are my socks? Where are my socks? अलमारी की चाबी दो, give me the cupboard key. Give me the cupboard key. इस शीशे में दरार है, there is a crack in this glass. There is a crack in this glass. दूध गरम कर दो जरा, heat the milk a bit. Heat the milk a bit. पराठे सेक रहे हो क्या? Are you baking parathas? Are you baking parathas? ब्रश कर लिया क्या? Did you brush your teeth? Did you brush your teeth? कोई खिड़की बंद कर दो, someone please shut the window. Someone please shut the window. कंबल उलझ गया है, the blanket is tangled. The blanket is tangled. ये कुर्सी हिला मत, don't shake this chair. Don't shake this chair. सब्जी ढक दो, cover the vegetable. Cover the vegetable. दही ज्यादा खट्टा हो गया है, the curd has turned to sour. The curd has turned to sour. झाड़ू लगाते समय ध्यान रखना, be careful while sweeping. Be careful while sweeping. पानी गर्म है, छूना मत, the water is hot, don't touch. The water is hot, don't touch. बर्तन गिरा दिए क्या? Did you drop the utensils? Did you drop the utensils? प्लास्टिक के डिब्बे मत जलाओ, don't burn plastic containers. Don't burn plastic containers. चूल्हा अभी भी गर्म है, the stove is still hot. The stove is still hot. गीले कपड़े बिस्तर पर मत रखो, don't keep wet clothes on the bed. Don't keep wet clothes on the bed. ये सब्जी बहुत स्वादिष्ट है, this vegetable is very tasty. This vegetable is very tasty. रोटी बहुत सख्त हो गई है, the chapati has become too hard. The chapati has become too hard. गर्म पानी चला गया क्या? Is the hot water gone? Is the hot water gone? फ्रिज में कुछ मीठा है, is there any dessert in the fridge? Is there any dessert in the fridge? लाइट कब गई? When did the power go out? When did the power go out? अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें। एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन।